And you know, we went to Jamaica, and I can say that Jamaica food was disgusting. I couldn't get with it. I couldn't get with it. You know, so even they fried chicken at they little mini little generic KFC wasn't even good to me. But Jamaican food was just gave me a whole different taste. And I can't say that I did not like that. They did not. I mean, it was. And then not only that, the drinks. They don't have American liquor. They got Jamaican liquor, and they didn't have American like juices. They had Jamaican juices, and you know all of that tastes totally different from our American food. And it was what I wanted. I wanted some fried chicken and some pinto beans, and you know they wasn't gonna have no food. I can't say the food wasn't good. I'm not gonna say the food was not good, but what I can say is it wasn't something that I really wanted.